Breaking the law.
Breaking the law.
So which one is that? Before you put it in there.
This is silver palm with green glitter.
That sounds amazing.
It does.
What if what if it's in the sky and it says England sucks? What would your reaction be to that?
Oh, fuck this. Let's go get some more fireworks somewhere else, because these fireworks suck.
I hope it does something. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck, it's cool.
The thing tipped over.
Oh, shit. Yep. Hey, put it out before it starts fire. Oh, good boy, Jancy. Okay, so this one's silver
Hey, call
glitter.
Chance.
Silver glitter to crackling flowers. Shit, don't. Ow, fuck. Called Burgundy or something?
Croquade.
Yep, yeah, brocade, never mind.
Croquade.
Oh shit, that was really loud. Ow! I was right next to it, it hurt. Yeah, these aren't that cool. Okay, so hopefully this one should be better. Oh. God damn it. Oh! God damn it, that one's really loud. Okay, oh fuck. All these embers.
Chance.
I'm gonna be deaf by the time this thing's over.
Exploded in here.
Shit. We're 15. We should have to be dealing with putting out fires.
I know.
It's ridiculous. Oh, God damn it. That one was probably the best so far.
Fuck.
All right, so it's 12 o'clock, and we're gonna light the first firework of the night.
All right, should get way back though. Happy New Year!
You ready?
All right, so these are our last two. Go ahead, James.
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's! Here you go. Here. Can you believe it's 2012 already?
Wow.
It's crazy. All right, last one. Is that big brocade?
Yeah. I hope it's awesome.
I know. Oh man, that wasn't that cool.
That's like a normal one.